This is Oscar at First Call Jewel. Today I'm installing a new furnace down in a crawl space of a home. This furnace here is about 12 years old. It's had its good life. What we ended up in our technician finding was the secondary heat exchanger had cracked and started leaking condensation, which then the furnace shut down and wouldn't come back on after it went into a lockout. Technician came out and discovered the water all inside the furnace. Actually, you can see here on the tarp where the water had been draining coming out from. You can see the dry spot plastic tarp, and the darkened area here is all the wet stuff that I soaked up with some sheets. It's full of water. Had gone all the way back there. And also, since we were out here since yesterday, the water had originally been coming out from in here on the bottom of the furnace from inside. You can also see the rusted out screws. That was an indication that it had been leaking out. And one of the good telltale signs was actually in the blower compartment. Yesterday our tech said he actually showed me a video and the pictures that the water was actually had gotten in this blower compartment, and it was actually coming out back inside the furnace, which was definitely 100% a failed and cracked, rusted out secondary heat exchanger. So there was no repair option for this furnace. This furnace is, like I said, about 12 years old, and so it was basically time for it to change out. And it's had its good life running, plus it is an obsolete furnace, so there was no other option but to replace it. So we're installing a new Trane single stage gas furnace. We'll show you when we're done with the installation and show you the complete project. All right, we're all done here, and this is our new single stage Trane gas furnace. Modified the ductwork over here for a filter access, actually, and the filter access is located on the other side only because that's where the crawl access is, so it's more convenient for the homeowner to not have to come all the way over here on this side around the furnace to change the filter. Got a new condensate pump, everything wired in with a safety mechanism, so in case the pump ever fails, it'll shut the furnace off and bring to the homeowner's attention. And everything adapted over to the existing air conditioner. We tied in the existing venting, made sure everything was clear, and hooked up all the electrical and gas line, and we fired it up. And sorry I didn't get a video of it running, but we set the schedules on the new thermostat for the homeowner, and they wanted a lower temperature when they're not home. So this is what we did today, and other than that, we'll see you guys on the next.